Hey, let's try this again. How's it going, everybody? Long time no see. Sorry for the massive leave of absence, but it has been an interesting couple of years. There's been a lot of family stuff going on, which is the biggest reason why I haven't taken any time to, or haven't had the time, I should say, to make any videos or give you any updates. And, I didn't have too many interesting projects, one or two over the last year or so, but wasn't really sure what I was going to do with them or how they're going to turn out. And now it seems like the projects are just stacking up and stacking up and stacking up. So right now it is Saturday morning here in Georgia, and it's coldish stuff, and I am getting ready. I got a truck full of tools and goodies and whatnot, getting ready to go do some work. So I was going to give you guys an update, or at least this should just be the short video update, and see if you guys are still interested in what I got going on. Got a couple things hiding in the garage there, surprises, which y'all know about one of them. Another one you don't know about. Well, you may know a little bit about it if you kept up with my Boxster blog back in the day. With regards to family stuff, my father had been sick the last couple of years. He passed away beginning of last year, just about a year ago now. And so that, like I said, in between that, my grandmother passing away just a few months prior to that, it has been a heck of a trying couple of years. So appreciate y'all if you've still stuck subscribed, and I will give you a bigger update on things. But I got Porsche stuff, I got Chevy stuff, I got Chevy stuff going into Porsche stuff, I got Porsche restoration stuff going on. So there's a whole lot of things happening. So I'll probably put this video out there as a quick introduction. Hopefully y'all will give me some interactions, give me a thumbs up, tell all your friends about it, smash that subscribe button, that kind of crap. But no, I seriously, I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. Hopefully I'll have a little bit more time. I'm actually taking a week off of work this week, so I hope to make at least a couple of videos for you guys, give me an update. So I'm going to end this quick intro video here, and hope that you guys will keep following me and see what else I've got going on. So thanks for hanging in there, and we'll talk to you soon.
Grrr. Who's that handsome big kitty? Growl.